In today's video, I am going to teach you how to navigate Klaviyo. To get started, sign in to Klaviyo. When you land on the main screen, take a moment to orient yourself. Look for the left sidebar, which is where most navigation happens. This sidebar groups everything into clear sections, so you can move through Klaviyo without getting lost. Next, use the left sidebar to find the area you need. Start with Dashboard, then choose Overview. This section is designed to give you a quick snapshot of what is happening across your account. It is a good place to return to whenever you want a high-level understanding of performance and activity. After you have reviewed the overview, it is often helpful to shift to your audience tools. From the left sidebar, select Audience, then go to Profiles, Lists, and Segments. Here, you can work with your people and how you organize them. Profiles help you understand who you are reaching, while lists and segments help you group contacts in a way that matches your marketing goals. Once you are familiar with your audience structure, you will want to prepare content. From the left sidebar again, select Content. Then choose Templates, Images, Coupons. This area is where you manage the building blocks for your campaigns. Templates let you reuse formatting and styles. Images help you store and manage visual assets. And coupons are useful when you want to include promotions in your messages. From there, move to Campaigns when you are ready to send something specific. In the left sidebar, choose Campaigns, then Create and Manage Campaigns. This is where campaign planning and execution lives. You can create campaigns, keep track of them, and make updates as needed, all in one place. Now, if your workflow includes automated messaging, you will want to look at flows. In the left sidebar, select Flows, which are automations. Flows help you set up sequences that trigger based on events or customer behavior. This is where you build ongoing automation rather than one-time outreach. As you think about how people join your marketing audience, navigate to Sign-up Forms. In the left sidebar, select Sign-up Forms, then Forms and Pop-ups. This section helps you manage the ways visitors capture your offers and consent. It is especially useful when you want to grow your list consistently and connect your forms to the right audience options. Next, you will want to measure results. On the left sidebar, choose Analytics, then Reports and Metrics. This is where Klaviyo helps you understand performance. You can check how campaigns and flows are doing, and you can review the numbers that matter to you, such as engagement and other key indicators. If you are setting things up behind the scenes, go to Settings. From the left sidebar, select Settings, then review Integrations, Billing, and Account Settings. This is where you manage important account-level preferences and connections. Integrations ensure Klaviyo can communicate with the tools you use. Billing keeps your account in good standing, and account settings help you control access and configuration. At this point, you know the main sections through the sidebar. However, Klaviyo also includes a fast navigation tool at the top of the screen. Find the search bar. You can use it to jump directly to the page you want, which saves time when you already know what you are looking for. If you prefer keyboard shortcuts, you can press Ctrl+K on Windows or Command-K on Mac. This opens the search field quickly. Then type what you need, using simple keywords that match the section you want. For example, if you want to work on automations, type Flows. If you need to create or manage message layouts, type Templates. If you are organizing your contacts, type Segments. As soon as results appear, select the correct one. Klaviyo will take you directly to that destination, so you do not have to manually click through multiple menus. And that covers everything you need to know.